Hello guys, and welcome back ulit dito sa Automathing. So for today's video, pag-uusapan po natin is multiplying and dividing fractions. So our first example is we have here, okay, 3/5 times 4/7. So multiplying fractions po, simple lang. Kailangan nyo lang gawin is multiply directly the numerator of the two fractions and also the denominator. So 3 times 4. So 3 times 4, that's 12. And saka yung kanyang denominator, 5 times 7, that's 35. So that's very simple. Kahit po, unlike po ang kanyang denominator, you can multiply it directly. How about this one po? 3/2. Let's multiply that one by 4 times 4/9. So let's multiply 3 times 4, that's 12. 2 times 9, that's 18. But yung answer po natin is we can still reduce that one. Okay? We can reduce that one by dividing a number both sa ating numerator and denominator. So as you can see, we divide it by 2, both numerator and denominator. So 12 divided by 2, that's 6. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. Tapos, yung answer pa rin po natin ay pwede pa rin po nating ma-reduce by dividing both numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, so if we divide natin siya by 3, that will become 2, the other one is 3. So our final answer now is 2/3. But there's also other way po to reduce our fraction. Let's say, for example, yung 12/18 natin. What we have to do is to find a number, two numbers na pwede nating i-multiply na ang outcome po niya is 12. So, let's say 6 times 2. Same rin po sa ating denominator. 18 yung ating denominator. So, let's find a number that if we will multiply, it will give us 18, pero meron po siyang kapareha sa ating numerator, like 6 times 3. Di po ba? That's 18. So, kasi meron tayong 6 and 6 sa numerator and denominator, we can just cancel that out, and therefore, our final answer is 2/3. So, you can use this one po in reducing your fraction. How about this one? 24/27 times 45/32. Now, if we will multiply 24 times 45, it will give us 1,080. Tapos, yung 27 times 32 naman, it will give us 864. Now, we have to reduce the fraction, but it's very big numbers. Meron po tayong paraan dyan para makuha po natin na mas madali yung kanyang answer in simplest form. So, in 24, we have to find a number, two numbers, na if i-multiply natin sila, it will give us 24. Like 8 times 3. Di po ba? So, 8 times 3, that's 24. Over, the 27, we have 9 times 3. Tama po? Okay, then, times ito naman, 45. Si 45, we have 9 times 5. Si 32 naman, we have 8 times 4. So now, ito na po yung parang reduced form po niya, no? What we have to do is to cancel out yung pwede nating makancel. Like 8, cancel natin si 8. Si 9, makancel din po natin si 9. Si 3, makancel din po natin. So our final answer now is 5/4 na lang po yung natira. So this is our final answer. So that's 5/4. Okay po? So, ngayon po, ipupunta na po tayo sa dividing fractions. Okay? So, let's have our first example. Let's have 4/3 divided by 2/5. So, sa pag-divide po ng mga fractions, ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is you have to copy the first fraction. Then, you change this one. Instead na divide, we will change that one to multiply. Pero, ang mangyayari po sa ating second fraction, we have to flip that one or get the reciprocal, which is 5/2. Diba po? Yung original na given is 2/5. Ngayon, 5/2 na po yung ating ginamit. And we can just directly multiply the two numbers. So, that's 20/6. Okay? And we can reduce that one by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So, that is 10/3. So, yan na po yung ating answer. Let's have another one. Let's have 12 divided by 21, 12 over 21 divided by 16 over 28. So that's 12 over 21 times 28 over 16. Okay? Now, if you don't have your calculator with you, and then kailangan nyo po talaga yung i-reduce, okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang is, gaya ng ginawa natin earlier, okay? We have to find two numbers na pwede nating i-multiply na ang result is 12. Si 21 naman, we have 7 times 3 din po. And then, times si 28, meron po tayo dyan 7 times 4. At saka 616, meron din po tayong 4 times 4. Di po ba? So, that is equal to, so makikita nyo po, pwede po nating i-cancel si 3 and 3, si 7, si 7, si 4, si 4, and si isa pang 4 over 4. So, if we will cancel out, dito po, that's 4 over 4, cancel natin yan to, that will be equal to 1. So, kasi po, na-cancel po yan lahat, our answer now is 1 na lang po. So, the answer ng 12 over 21 divided by 16 over 28 is 1 po. Okay? Then, lastly, what if we have this one? Meron po tayong 8 over 5 divided by 9. So, this is a whole number. This one is a fraction. So, napaka-easy lang din po. We can rewrite that one as 8 over 5 divided by, di ba po, 9 is just equal to 9 over 1. Then, we can go directly by flipping the other fraction, magiging 1 over 9. And we just have to multiply 8 times 1, that's 8. 5 times 9, that's 45. So, yan na po yung ating answer. So, I think hanggang dito lang po ang ating video. Sana ay meron kayong natutunan in how to multiply and divide fractions. See you po on our next video.